Welcome to our digital deep dive. From URL to VGA, from BIOS to PDF, we're decoding the most important abbreviations in computers and tech, simply and clearly. Let's begin. URL Uniform Resource Locator. It's the full address of a web page. What you type in the browser to visit a site. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, used to transfer files between computers on a network. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the foundation of any data exchange on the web. DNS, Domain Name System. Think of DNS as the phone book of the internet. It translates domain names like google.com into IP addresses. BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, the program your PC uses to start up. It runs when you power on. ADSL, Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line, allows faster internet over copper telephone lines, commonly used for broadband. PNG, Portable Network Graphics, lossless image format, better than GIF because it's not limited to 256 colors. Created under Thomas Boutel. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, a compressed image format, ideal for photos. PNG versus JPEG. PNG keeps more detail, JPEG reduces file size. GIF, Graphics Interchange Format, great for simple animations but limited to 256 colors. TIFF, Tagged Image File Format, used for high-quality images and printing. BMP, Bitmap, an older image format, saves pixel data without compression. SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics, perfect for logos and graphics that scale without losing quality. PSD, Photoshop Document, editable file used in Adobe Photoshop. PDF, Portable Document Format, popular for documents, readable across all devices. EPS, Encapsulated PostScript, used for vector images in publishing. RAW Image Format, unprocessed image straight from the camera sensor. AI, Adobe Illustrator Document, used for vector-based artwork in design projects. VGA Video Graphics Array, developed by IBM in 1987, uses analog signals, supports lower resolution. Evolved into Super VGA standards, IBM International Business Machines, founded in 1911, headquartered in Armonk, New York. Macintosh, Apple's personal computer family, launched in 1984. Apple Inc. founded April 1st, 1976. Founders Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, Ronald Wayne. Headquarters Cupertino, California. Current CEO Tim Cook. Microsoft, founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Headquarters Redmond, Washington. Current CEO Satya Nadella. CC, carbon copy. Recipients can see all other CC'd contacts. BCC, blind carbon copy, hides recipient addresses from others, useful for privacy. JDBC, Java database connectivity, a Java API to connect and execute queries in databases. COBOL, common business-oriented language, developed in 1960 for business data processing. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, represents characters as numbers used in computers and the internet. EBC, DIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code, similar to ASCII but used mainly on IBM systems. DBMS, Database Management System, software used to create, manage, and access databases. DDL, Data Definition Language, part of SQL, used to define and modify database structure. Create, alter, drop are all DDL commands. APK, Android Package, the file format used to install Android apps. USB, Universal Serial Bus, standard for connecting devices, introduced January 1996. RAM, Random Access Memory, primary memory, temporary and fast. Cache, small high-speed memory closer to CPU. Tertiary storage, large storage using tapes or optical disks, mainly for backup. Virus, Vital Information Resources Under Siege, informal backronym. Self-replicating program that attaches to files and spreads when they're opened. Worm, write once, read many, can also refer to malicious software that spreads on its own. But the acronym originally described storage media. From files to formats, protocols to processors, these abbreviations power the tech world. Smash the like button if you learned something new and subscribe for more smart explainers. See you next time.